There comes a time and point in a man's life, specifically mine, when you have to start making some changes. And well, as of recent, I've gotten a new job. I've been able to kind of advance in my career. I'm growing on YouTube, and well, I just completed an insane build on my 690 SMCR, and despite the running issues, it's been a great bike. But there are some other changes that needed to happen. And well, it's a dream that I've had for probably the last 11 or 12 years. And if you can tell, I don't have a blue car in here anymore. Instead, I have traded my 2005 Audi S4 for this 2005 Chevy Express 3500 camping. Come on, really? Like, Moto van build project. Now, as you can see, this thing is absolutely massive. I mean, it's huge. It's the extended version of it, and it's actually the passenger edition. So it would have had seats in the back, and you got windows going all the way down. But it's a little crispy. It's not that bad when you get actually underneath it, but these rockers are, I would like to say, toast. But other than that, I mean, it's a great running, huge piece, and I think it's going to be so much fun. But this outside actually isn't the fun part. Let me show you the fun part. So if we go in this side door, look at this. Oh, it's so good. So you've got obviously driver up front, but you've got a cooler, which my Yeti fits perfectly in here. You've got a sink, you got some drawers, you got a full bed in the back, and well, you got plenty of storage down in here. Now I've done a few things actually already to this to freshen it up, because when I first got the van, it looked, well, I mean, like this. I mean, it was pretty bad. I mean, it was ugly. I don't know. But to make it van life, of course, you got to paint everything white and add some of your own intricacies to it. So with that, I added obviously the white, but some license plates from all the motorcycles that I've owned in different states that I've lived in. I don't know, fun and cool. Wow, Walmart, thanks. Yeah, I'm gonna add some more of those. I did leave these drawers the same color or the same kind of, you know, just wood finish and whatever's on there, just to give it a little homage to the original owner. I've definitely touched up a lot in here, and there's still more to go. But the biggest thing that I feel like I've done so far is actually take this bed and cut it in half, or actually cut it twice so that it splits in half. And that's so I can get a motorcycle in here. And I don't know if the motorcycle fits yet, but what you'll be able to do is actually lift these two sides up, obviously flip that one that way, that one the other way, and then you'll be able to roll a motorcycle in here. So this is turning into a moto camping van. I still need to paint this white, but at the same time, this is going to turn into something that I can take track days, that I can drive to, I don't know, the Dragon in Tennessee with, that I can actually enjoy, and it's just, it's so cool. I mean, look at this. Like, just laying back here. Oh, it'll be so good. Oh. Now I guess some of the few issues that I've found with this specific van, and this can be for any van, not just this one, but I'm 6'1" on a good day if I want to act like it, but sitting on this bed, I can't sit up straight. Neither on this bench. I can't sit up straight. So I've got to use this little stool on the front. Now I can sit up straight. Which, I mean, that just comes with it being a normal van, but that kind of, I mean, sucks. So I've got one mode to sit on. Number two with that, the bed is only 68 inches long. So if I'm going to lay down, I've got to lay on an angle. And which, I mean, I don't think it's going to be that bad, but at the same time, like, I don't usually sleep, you know, straight flat on my back. I usually sleep on my side so I can spread out. I think it'll be okay. I think we'll be okay with that. But it's also, yeah, I mean, not perfect. As you can see, the LED strips that I put in here, thank you Walmart, are coming down. There is a leak from the fan I mean, it's definitely needing a lot of your basic touch-up work. But a cool thing about it is it does have solar power. Now, this is new to me. I've never actually worked with solar in my life. But there's two 200-watt solar panels on the roof. I've got an inverter and then kind of some other plugs back here for any sort of USB ports or things that I want to charge. And yeah, just like a normal 12-volt car battery. So, you know, the guy I bought it from, Austin, huge shout out to you, man.
Oh my God. Oh my God, you said turbo. Holy turbo.
Enjoy that Audi, because that thing is, ooh, that thing is way too cool, and you get a sweet trailer hitch out of it. So enjoy it. But you know, I am still learning some of those intricacies. I still need to figure out, you know, again, pumping a water system in and some other things. But for the start of a moto van, I think this is a really good base. Now, I guess probably one thing that I need to do is make sure the motorcycle fits in here. I've done this before with a van. And I've also kind of alluded to wanting to buy one of these.
Yeah, I think I might buy one.
So I guess, you know, what you know, if you believe in what goes around comes around, you can make it happen. Huh. Now there is a lot more things that I need to do to this to get it, well, not up to my standard, but where I want it to be. And I guess that starts with a few more things today. That looks to be in. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'll back out of here a little bit. Tripod out of the way. Oh, that looks so good. I know it's hard with the sun, but oh, that looks so good. Man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Coming in clutch, man. Alright, so as you can see, again, I could probably move this back just a hint, but everything fits in here pretty much perfectly after cutting this bed. And there's like, I know it's on its side, but there is just a millimeter up there. Okay, let's see if this door closes. Get my little curtain out of the way. Oh yeah, nothing's falling over yet. Okay. Dude, no way. This is so cool. Oh my God, dreams are coming true. And it doesn't even come that far. I thought this wheel was gonna be like way up here. I mean, she's awfully wobbly right now, but man, this is it. This is it. So see, what I'm gonna be doing is ordering a set of bike binders, and they're like right here. And what I'm gonna be doing is drilling those into the floor. So then all I'll have to do is basically loop this metal piece in, clamp it down, and boom, you're done. There's no straps, there's no wheel chocks, there's no nothing. So then when those metal plates are in the ground or in the floor, the L-track, I don't have to worry about actually moving them or doing anything. So like when I'm actually camping, there's nothing on the main floor to then hinder me from walking around stubbing my toe. And I think that's absolutely awesome and epic. So we're gonna see how to install those probably in the future. Not now, because I don't have them yet. So, soon to come.
How's that treating you over there?
Holy shit. Shit there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shield it so that they keep it
Alright, so, you can't see me. Hello? There we go. So, been able to get a lot of stuff done today. Like the light bars off the front, more rust has been knocked off. Trying to figure out how to get the spare tire that's on the roof back underneath, but that whole thingy underneath in the back is a mess. But the bike fits. I don't have the mounts for the bike yet, which I gotta get. But when those come in, that'll be a fun video for that. But I think, you know, when you really look at it, this has been an awesome decision. This is gonna be a lot of fun, not just for motorcycles, especially track weekends, but just any other general family weekends camping. So I'm excited. So if you've got any suggestions, or you know some things that I could probably do to make this process a little bit easier, or cool mods you want to see me do, or how about now cool places for me to go with this and my motorcycle, put them in the comments down below. But until then, let's get this center mount, bike binder, whatever the hell I'm going to use to actually strap this motorcycle in. And stay tuned for that video. I am so horrifyingly tired. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess remember, keep riding.